If you wake up with puffy eyes, swollen ankles, or a lower back that aches deep inside, you are not just aging, you are sitting on a toxic time bomb. Your body's master filter is failing, and ignoring these signs is the fastest way to invite a silent catastrophe. Most people think kidney decline starts in a hospital bed, but it starts right at your dinner table. But here's the good news. The solution isn't in a pharmacy. It is likely sitting in your fridge right now, ignored as a garnish, yet holding the power to flush that toxic sludge out of your system overnight. Think of your kidneys as the unsung heroes of your body. Every day, they filter 50 gallons of blood, deciding what stays and what gets flushed. But here is the terrifying reality for anyone over 40. Our modern diet is a weapon against them. Hidden salts and dehydration turn these filters into clogged, struggling sponges. When they get overwhelmed, they don't scream, they whisper. That brain fog, that heavy fatigue, that is your blood becoming a swamp of unfiltered waste. You aren't just tired, you're toxic. And if you don't unclog the filter now, the damage becomes permanent. Let's talk about the silent killer. When your kidneys slow down, waste products like uric acid and creatinine pile up. It's like leaving the trash in a hot kitchen for a month. The rot spreads. This waste forms sharp, jagged crystals that tear through delicate tissue. But the real enemy is oxidative stress. Free radicals attack your kidney cells, causing inflammation and scarring that doesn't show up on blood tests until it's too late. You might think water is enough, but water cannot scrub away years of mineral buildup. You need a solvent. Without it, you are looking at a future of dialysis and a body that slowly poisons itself from the inside out. This is where nature proves it is smarter than medicine. Enter Petroselinum crispum, common parsley. This is not just a pasta decoration. It is nature's heavy artillery. Parsley is a potent natural diuretic, but unlike synthetic pills that drain your potassium, parsley is intelligent. It is rich in apiol and myristicin. These compounds act as a pressure washer for your insides, increasing urine output and physically scrubbing the kidney tubules. It creates a flush effect, breaking down the binding agents in stones and turning them back into sand. It reduces the swelling in your ankles by forcing out trapped fluids. This is the science of hope, a simple green leaf that reboots your filtration system. So how do you use this green gold? Do not just chew it, you need the kidney flush ritual. Take a bunch of fresh, organic parsley, stems and all, because the stems hold the most potent oils. Wash it, chop it, and throw it into 1 liter of boiled water that has been taken off the heat. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain it, squeeze in a full lemon for absorption, and drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. You will see the difference in the toilet immediately. The color, the volume. That is the toxins leaving you. Nature has the cure. Use it. Share this with someone you want to keep healthy and hit follow, because next time we are cleaning out your liver.